Hi, my name is Casey, and my dad and my brother are doing the cabinets upstairs. They've worked really hard.
Vas a poner un pie aquí, el otro pie en el otro y vas a ayudarme con todo, ¿ok?
They're lifting the cabinets up. It's quite heavy. Oof.
Tell us about this church. This little Milwaukee driver right here, the little hydraulic driver comes in handy. The only screws I had were these decking screws with that bit right there with that little fine Torx head, and so they were kind of stripping out a little bit. But I got enough screws in it right now where it's not going to fall. Let's hold this, Jage. Got this bit on here that countersinks the screws. So we got it up. Now Casey's going to walk around and show you the rest of the cabinets that I've been working on. Enseña los gabinetes en la cochera, Mom.
So right here we've got the cabinets. They're pretty sturdy and they're pretty high up. So one of them's by the garage door. Right there. And another one here.
Y este también, Mom.
And we've got some over here. Been working a lot, so there's the table.
might ask why I'm building such tall cabinets. Well, the thing is, I want to be able to walk under, and also when I put the truck in here, I can get everything out of the truck. Enseña eso de arriba, Mom.
Okay. Then we've also got them down here. Extra storage up there. We've built those a long time ago.
Okay, ahora vamos a despedirnos.
All right, that's it for today. Bye.